Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel where we discover the freshest voices and rising stars dominating social media right now. If you're here for real inspiration, epic entertainment, and lifestyle goals that actually feel achievable, you're in the right place. Today, we're shining the spotlight on an absolute powerhouse who's capturing hearts across the globe, Lilith Cavaliere. This talented Australian creator is redefining what it means to show up as your full, confident self online. Born on December 28, 2000, this 25-year-old Capricorn from Australia has built a massive community through pure charisma and authenticity. With well over 1.9 million followers on TikTok under @_Lilith Cavaliere and close to 500,000 on Instagram at @Lilith Cavaliere, Lilith is the influencer you'll want to follow for daily doses of motivation and fun. In this video, we're breaking down her journey, her standout content, why she resonates so strongly with young audiences, and all the ways she's spreading positive energy. Whether you're into fitness, fashion, lifestyle vibes, or just need that extra boost of confidence, Lilith's story has something for you. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes. You're going to love this. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about how Lilith got started. Back in 2017, she dropped her very first YouTube video, a super relatable, my first makeup tutorial. That early step showed her creative spark, and it wasn't long before she found her perfect platform on TikTok. Her content style is a perfect mix of lifestyle, fashion, fitness, and entertainment. Think fun lip-sync videos that go mega viral, body-positive and confidence-boosting clips that celebrate curves, and those energetic gym sessions that motivate you to move with her. One of her gym TikToks alone crossed 5 million views. That's the kind of impact we're talking about. She's also known for fashion hauls, including some legendary Zaful bikini content that fans still talk about years later. On Instagram, her feed is packed with stunning photos and reels that highlight her love for working out, travel vibes, and everyday moments that feel genuine. She even shares her Snapchat for more personal, day-in-the-life glimpses. What really makes Lilith stand out is her positive influence on young people. In an industry that can sometimes feel overly filtered, she keeps it real, showing that self-love, strength, and embracing your unique body type are powerful. She's become a go-to inspiration for youth seeking entertainment that also lifts them up. Her videos make you laugh, want to try new outfits, hit the gym, or simply feel better about yourself. Let's dive a bit deeper into her lifestyle content. Lilith often shares workout routines that are approachable and fun, not intimidating. She mixes in fashion tips tailored for curvy figures, travel adventures from her Australian roots, and fun challenges like the spicy noodle one she did with her sister back in the day. These personal touches make her feel like a friend rather than just a distant influencer. Her audience connects so strongly because she represents that modern young woman who's ambitious, stylish, and kind. She proves you can grow a huge following while staying true to who you are. From makeup experiments to confidence anthems, every post feels like an invitation to join her journey of growth and good vibes. Plus, the entertainment factor is off the charts. Her timing in dances and skits, combined with that radiant personality, keeps viewers coming back for more. It's no surprise she's become a role model for so many in the 18 to 25 age range looking for lifestyle content that's both aspirational and realistic. To wrap this up, Lilith Cavaliere is more than just another social media name. She's a shining example of young talent using her platform for good. From her beginnings in Australia to building a loyal global fanbase, she continues to entertain, inspire, and promote body positivity and self-confidence every single day. Her blend of lifestyle, activities, fashion, and genuine personality makes her content incredibly addictive and meaningful. If you're a young person searching for inspiration or just some feel-good entertainment, Lilith delivers consistently. Now it's your turn. Go follow Lilith right now on TikTok at @Lilith Cavaliere and Instagram at Lilith Cavaliere. You won't regret adding her energy to your feed. If this video helped you discover a new favorite creator, drop a big fire or red heart in the comments and let me know. What's your favorite Lilith video style? Fitness, fashion, or those fun personality clips? Which part inspired you the most today? Make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed this, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into rising talents. Share this video with a friend who needs some positive vibes or lifestyle inspiration. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. Your support means everything. Go out there, chase your goals, and own your confidence just like Lilith. I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome, everyone. Bye for now.